Hey, welcome to another Adventures of Rustic Charm. In this episode, Rust Wars, Fayes Hospital, and a little bit of drain flying. Talk soon. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Coffee morning, yes. Got to have a coffee before we start our work today. Other things I've got to do is got to go up to the hospital. Faye's in hospital with food poisoning, so she's been there for 2 days now. Don't know when she's coming back. So it's just playing around with little bits and pieces I've got to do. I'll just show you that. That side tail's going between there and there, and that's to enable us to put washing here. Also a bit of a barrier if you're going to, you look like you're going to fall out when you're cooking out at sea. Yeah, things are moving along. Yeah, still got that cut on my cheek that I did. That was actually a burn mark, but anyway, things happen. I mean, like, cuts all over you when you're working a boat, when you're doing stuff. Getting closer and closer to leaving. But that's just, yeah, that'll be coming soon. Anyway, folks, I'll proceed with today and we'll talk soon. If you're wondering why there's no work going on in the boat, there's the reason. One very sick vice captain of the boat got food poisoning. Poor thing. Been up here since 2 nights ago. It doesn't look like she's coming home anytime soon. But yeah, I just thought hey folks, talk soon. Well, I don't know if you can see there where I'm just going. Got a little bit of surface rust that's popping up in here that I'm going to treat and get rid of. It's sort of, once there, a bit of surface rust down here. So we're going to cure that today. All in here, see it's all a bit of surface rust in there, a little bit of kicking around in here as well now. So yeah, we're just going to treat this and then we're going to paint over it. Because it's only not much to it, so it's only just a little bit of surface crap that you don't really want on a boat anyway, not on a steel boat. Yeah, and then we'll get onto it and we'll paint it. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah. So that's the idea today. I'm going to get in there, we're going to treat it. We've got some Ferrnite here. There's the Ferrnite. And on top we've got the paint. I've got my gloves to wear with the Ferrnite. And there's the gloves. Whoa, sorry, and there's my tripod. There's a little bendy up there. Look at him sitting up there looking at us. Got a bit of work to do today. Going to pull the bed apart. Found a bit of rust under there yesterday with the surface rust. So my job today is I'm going to go and treat all of this. Get it treated. Put the Ferrnite on there. Let it thing. Then I'm going to paint all through here over the next 48 hours. But I'll show you that later. This will be in a later episode. Stay tuned. Paint and Mayhem, it'll probably be called. Talk soon. As you can see down there in that rib, there's a tiny bit of surface rust down there. It's only like dirty rust, it's nothing real serious, just annoying. It can cause you dramas later on. This should be closed up, but it's not. Let's close this up. I'll get in here and fix all this surface rust in a second. That's a bit of a mess in there. Yeah, so what you're going to see me do first, I'm going to give it a good old wipe down. I don't know what she did with the vacuum, whether it's over there, it's over here still. I'll just run the vacuum in it first. Because to treat it, you've actually got to do the right thing. Now, what we use for treatment, it's Ferrnite, Ferrnite I think it's called. And so I'll put that up there, and how to treat it, because I've got to do behind the water tank. And this is a moist rag, so we wipe it, all the areas that need doing, make them a bit moist. It's not too bad actually. Because the Ferrnite will stick to water, there's a Ferrnite there. Now we get in here and put a nice little liberal coating. This stuff actually prevents more rust appearing, so it's pretty good stuff. I'm going to go get another tin of it in early next week, which is my payday, and I've got some on board all times, because you know, even though this is not really dangerous, even this little tiny bit of rust on the boat, you know, it can build up and create dramas later on. And what you look for when you've done it is you look for it to change to a black colour. Oh, this is good. I've gone, hang on a second, camera. Oops, I move the camera, and hopefully I'm still on the picture. Just making sure I've got all the spots. And I'm finding here, because I've done all the front, it's just basically these areas here. So just, anything that's brown with rust, you touch up. Even though this is a bit rusty down here, it's not really anything other than surface. So I'll clean it up, and then in 24 hours, I'll do all this. Give it a good coating just to make sure that nothing can regrow in here. Yeah. Being a steel bait, you do not want rust. Even though it's probably taken my lifetime to rust out, still, nothing I don't want to see on the bait. Try and keep it coated, and over the next 24 hours, this will all be painted off. Anyway, I won't be able to show you the next section because I've got to actually physically get in there and do it, so I'll stop the camera for a second. What I'm just going to do now is, you see there's a bit of moisture been on that floor there, so I'm going to cover the floor back up. Cover it up for now. I'm getting all these pieces back together. I think here's the short one. This fella, I think he's the wrong one. This is all fun and games. The only reason I'm closing it up is just because I can put all this stuff back where it belongs down in there. So just put the cloth down there for now anyway. Put the stuff back in here. I gotta wait. There's a little bit more just in this corner here I just spotted. get all this stuff out there just for tonight. Yeah, so I'll just get this stuff back in the boat for tonight. And there you go. That's treated. Paint it tomorrow. Now I've only got 2 solar panels. We're sitting at 13.9 volts. That's pretty good. When the new panels go on there end of next week, early the week after, we'll get that power back into the boat. Start shutting the mains down so I can run off the my own power. Anyway guys, talk very soon, and yeah, I'll show you the painting tomorrow. Enjoy, top of tea town. Look at that guys again. Just sitting here on an afternoon, beautiful afternoon, having a sundowner, or a cup of tea. That's close enough. After doing all the work downstairs, I feel I'd just sit up here for a while and relax. Nearly choked myself on it. Yeah, so just sitting here enjoying it. Well, yeah, just get back to work tomorrow. A bit more painting and probably a bit more route planning for December. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, hit like, subscribe, become a patron, or join the inner circle, as I call it, the inner circle on Patreon, or join the inner circle on YouTube. It'd be good to have a bit of support. Anyway guys, talk soon. Thanks for watching, and without you viewers, I wouldn't keep making them. Well, thank you folks for watching this episode. Stay tuned for a lot more coming up on the Adventures of Rustic Charm. Also thanks to my patrons, Faye Kristiansen Music and Thomas Marshall. And yeah, thanks for really supporting me guys, and to Gippsland Bait and Tackle and Cookall.